Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can create a blog post on Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, open squarespace.com and then go to the dashboard. And now on the dashboard, from the left menu bar, click on the Pages button. Click on the Pages button. And now after clicking the Pages button, click on the plus button. And now click on the Blogs button. So here select the template of the blog page and start editing into it accordingly. Now save and publish the blog so that it can be visible. Now refresh the page. After that, you can see your blog. So that's how you will create blog post on Squarespace. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.